Hey guys, so I have here the JBL TUNE125tws, truly wireless earbuds, and today I want to show you how to pair these with an Android phone. So in case you are trying to pair this with an iPhone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. So the first thing we have to do is to bring the earbuds into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And in order to do that, we just remove one of the earbuds out of the charging case. And then we take a look at the LED here on the side of the earbud. This is supposed to start blinking in blue and white. So see this here, how it does this? Blue and white, blue and white. So this is the Bluetooth pairing mode. So in case you don't see this happen on your earbud, then you can try the following. And you just press on the button here on the side of the earbud, and you press and hold that for about 5 seconds, and then the earbud is going to shut down. See this? Now there's no more LED enabled. Then we press and hold the button again until the LED is going to start to blink in blue and white. So now we forced here the earbud into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So now we can continue by going to our smartphone now. So I have here my Samsung A10 in this example, but it also works in the same way with any other Android phone. So here I'm going to go to the settings menu, and I do that by just swiping down from the top of the screen, and then here in the upper right corner we see here this little cogwheel icon for the settings, and in there we're going to see here connections. We're going to click on that, and then we see here the Bluetooth option. So and here we're going to enter now the Bluetooth menu, and then we make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. So I'm pressing here the little slider, and now we see here on the bottom already a couple of devices that I paired this phone with earlier, but then on the very bottom we see here JBL TUNE125tws. It's actually in there twice, and we're going to use the one that does not have the LE. And then here there's another pop-up that we just confirm, and now it is going to pair with the earbud. And if we take a look at the earbud now, you see now it stopped blinking blue and white. Now it's just blue in this case here, so it's blinking in blue. That means it is currently connected to the phone. And now we can also take out the second earbud, and we can use them to listen to our music or to make phone calls. Okay, so now you may have the question if you have to go through this process every time you want to use these earbuds, and the answer to that is no. So once you're done with using your earbuds here, you just put them back into the charging case, and now they're going to turn off and they're going to disconnect from your smartphone. And now the next time you're trying to use them, you just take them out of the charging case. We just do this right here. And as soon as you take at least one of them out, it can be either the right one or the left one or both at the same time, the earbuds are going to connect to your smartphone all by itself. So you don't have to do anything. As long as Bluetooth is still turned on your smartphone, they are automatically going to connect. And you can also see here, when you take a look at the list here, you see the Tune125, it shows you the current battery percentage here. So you see this here in the list, it says 100% battery. So in case you're wondering how much percentage of battery you have left, you can look this up here really easy. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, please write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.